Hey guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video I wanted to show you the reading corner that I created for myself in my living room. It's just a very simple little corner right next to the fireplace and our piano, but I wanted a spot where I could sit with the kids and read to them, or just sit and do my Bible journaling or read to myself. So I'll show you guys what I got in this corner over here. So this end table, my grandparents actually found it at a yard sale, and a lady had chalk painted the bottom of it and then refinished the top, and I really loved it. They picked it up thinking of me, and I was glad that they did. I have a matching one in my living room beside the sectional as well. And then over here I have a wingback chair. I actually got a set of wingback chairs on Facebook Marketplace. I got both the chairs for only $60. They're in excellent shape. It's just the pattern was a green gingham, which didn't really go with my style, so I got these duck cloth slip covers from Wayfair. And I haven't been too impressed with the slip covers because this particular version is see-through, so I have to put a white sheet underneath it if I don't want the gingham pattern coming through, but it works, so it's fine, I guess. I have a blanket here that matches the colors in my living room. It's a cozy blanket from Walmart. The Gather pillow came from Hobby Lobby. And then I have my basket of goodies, and this is a Pioneer Woman basket from Walmart. It's super cute. It has my Bible and my journals and my markers and all the stuff that I use to do Bible journaling and everything like that. And I usually have a stack of books over here, but I have been reading in my living room lately, or I have been reading in my bedroom lately. So that's where my books are right now. But when I do start reading back in the living room again, I will bring my book stack back out here. Now I want to talk just for a minute about how I decorated above the reading corner. I have this Home Sweet Home sign, and it came from an online shop called minted.com, and it's where all sorts of different artists can submit their artwork and sell stuff. So it's really cool, and I got it a couple years ago. I just liked the frame and everything. The love sign is also from minted.com, and I've got these, the frames and the shelves came as a set from Walmart, and I just chalk painted those so everything would look cohesive. And then this flower thing also came from Walmart, and I just liked it, and I thought it gave a nice pop of spring to the room. And then of course I have my pictures of my family, and then my little spring birdie. I switch this stuff out depending on the season, so that's my spring birdie. And then I just got a little pail with some fake cotton in it, and then a little sign that says "You are my happy place." And that's it. That is my little reading corner, and I just love it. And if you are thinking about setting up a reading corner in your living room, I just wanted to give you some ideas. It's very simple. I am missing a lamp. That's next on my list to get, but it's not something that I have to have right now. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.